So we've used this for a number of years, and it started out as a desk we used, and then it went to kind of just a storage spot. So we're going to put it in the garage sale. The problem is if I go buy new veneer and put new veneer on it, it's $20+ just for the veneer. Well, brand new, this was probably $150. So I don't think we're going to get our money back out of it to do that. So I'm just put some time into it, sand it, and maybe it'll be worth about $40 when we're all said and done. Okay, you can see the difference here, and I'm going to call it particle board, but it's not MDF. That's what I think that is. That's what it looks like. But, and then the veneer that's over it. The problem is it's smooth here, which I think matches the smoothness here, and that would work. But around the edges, there's flaking, and you can feel the, probably can't hear that with a furnace going behind me, but it's there are little ridges in there, and I think as soon as we hit that with paint, it's going to stand up. So I'm going to get the belt sander back out, and we're going to take the veneer all the way off. This isn't going to work just trying to patch out a spot. So you can see now that this is cleared off, all that veneer is off, and that's smooth. So I'm just going to use some tack cloth and clean all the dust off really good, tape it up, and we'll hit it with some flat black paint, and it should match fairly well. Okay, for what we're doing, I think that's going to be taped well enough. I'm not taping this off because I want this color to match this well. And I know flat black is going to be pretty close, but I don't want there to be a slight difference. So that's what I'm going to use. Okay, we'll get that coat on. What we don't want to do is get too much on at one time. Okay, we're going to put the second coat on. It's only been half an hour or so, but it's dry. Okay, we'll let that dry and see what it looks like. This is the finished product. It's a little dusty, but you can't see the damage that was there. All in all, turned out pretty good. For a little bit of time and a few dollars in paint. I ended up putting, I think, 4 coats is what went on here. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.